everyone. Today we will continue to learn about the ls command. In the previous video, we already knew about the ls command in the simple way. You can click on your top right of your screen now to see the previous video. In this video, we will learn not only how to execute the command but also how to read the output. Before we continue, don't forget to click subscribe. Let's open your terminal. I will use Nautilus. First of all, we will open the manual page of the ls. The ls command is for listing contents in a directory and shows detailed information about them. The ls command has so many options that we can use. You can see the options below by pressing your down arrow or scrolling your mouse wheel. I am using the mouse wheel now, or you can use your down arrow to scroll, and if you want to quit this manual page, just press Q. You can see manual page for another command by typing man follow with the command. For example, I want to see the manual page of CD. Like this. Quit. We will try one option. For example, the D option. This option is used to list only directories. For example, if I type ls, you can see here that there is a file in this directory, and if I use the D option, ls will only show the directories. Actually, I never use this option. As long as I remember, I just use the A, L, and H option. The A option and the L option and the H option. In this video, I will type the ls command with the option that I usually use. You can try the other option by yourself. When we use ls with no options or arguments, ls will display a list of contents in the current working directory. For example, we are in the Gunawan home directory, and if I type only ls, the ls option will display a list of contents in this Gunawan directory. To list contents in a specific directory, input the directory path as an argument to the ls command. For example, I want to see the list of etc directory. I just type ls/etc. Another example, I want to see the list of contents inside the documents directory. So I just type ls documents. You can also pass multiple directories and files separated by space. For example, I want to know what is inside the var usr and home directories. This is the result of the ls with multiple directories. In this example, the ls command will not show the content with full stop, because in Linux, this content with the full stop is supposed to be a hidden content. You can use the "-a" parameter. For example, you can see the differences between the ls without "-a" and the ls with "-a". In this example, I think you will not know which one is the file and which one is the directory. So we need another option to see the differences of each content. We will use the "-l" option to print in a long listing format. You can see here I combine the "-a" and the L for long listing format. So this is the result of the command. If I use without "-a", it will be like this. When the long listing format is used, you can see the following information. This part is the file type, and this part is the file permission, and this part is the hard link to the file, and this part is the file owner, and this part is the group owner, and this part is the file size, and this part is the time when this file is updated, and the last part, this is the file name. I almost forgot to tell you about this part, the file size part. This part is displayed in byte. Okay, let's continue how to read this output. The first D, this is the mark of the file, would be one of these. Minus means it is a regular file, and D means it is a directory. And this one, you can see this one is D, so it means that this is a directory. L means it is a symbolic link, and B represent tools that used to communicate with the the computer in a block form like hard drive, CD drive, etc. We can see in dev directory. And then the C means tools that used to communicate with the computer in byte unit, for example printer, port serial, etc. We can see in dev directory. This one is the example for the C, and this one is the example of the the B, and then the L. This one is the symbolic link. You can see here that this file is linked to this directory. And then we continue to the next 9 character. The next 9 character tells us about access permission of the file. The first 3 character is the permission for user. The second 3 characters is the permission for the groups. The third 3 character is the permission for the other. The other here means every other account in the system except owner, group owner, and root user. We will learn about this in the next video. This part tells us how many hard links to the file, and then this part, this is the owner of this file. It means that Gunawan is the user that owns this file. And this part means that Gunawan is the group that owns this file. So With this map, you can see something connected, like this part is connected with this part, and this part is connected with this part. This part is the size of the file in byte, and this part means the time the file was edited, and this part is the file name. In this case, this is the name of the directory. We should learn about how to read the result of the ls command, because we will use this information for updating the permission of a file or directory. We will learn about file permission in the other video, so please subscribe to my channel to support me to make another video. We also can see this detail in Nautilus. Just open your Nautilus. We are in home. And then just setting your preference. List column, and then check the owner, group, and permission. You can see the result. It's the same with the terminal. Okay everyone, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.